CPU.
You thought what?
Let's see.
Okay, I'll keep Australia anyway. First thing anyway, warm up for all of us.
Wait.
Oh, new.
Except Girish.
It's direct start or
Yeah,
qualifying?
direct start, no quality.
This guy gave a statement, right? Who? Was it Gasly who said Hamilton is winning because of the car, it's not because of his skills.
So many people said it too. Not Gasly though. Norris made some comments, something similar.
Norris, Lando Norris.
Yeah, and he apologized for it. He
Yeah,
said like he can win because he has only two other people to compete with.
yeah, that's what he has a superior car, so he has to win. I don't know why it's such a big deal, something like that. He said, right? But I don't know, is it true? I don't know. You know,
Yeah, his car is much better, dude. But
his
he's
car
also
is
good.
too good, right?
His
Yeah, I
car
mean
is
he is
too good.
good. There's
But
no
he's
denying
also
it.
good. But his car is too good. It's too good.
That's what his car is good. He is also good, but yeah.
That's why all these comparisons come, right? Like, what if Verstappen is in? He also like they had a discussion. Like, Max said,
Center, dude.
he said, exchange the cars. I'll show how much pace difference there is.
Hmm.
I saw that dude. His reaction was crazy.
Oh my God, who is it? Red Bull, dude. Like, got crazy start. Oh, he's ghosting. Who is Red Bull?
Me.
Girish,
We
my
are kind
mind is
of ghosting.
Mercedes.
Feel like getting memories of the track slowly. Man, Bharat is flying, man.
That's a strong start. Well done.
Oh,
You are right behind me, dude. What the hell?
Dude, but you pulled away a lot. Before I was like just behind you.
Oh my God, I made a mistake. Oh, it's sun, dude.
hey, fuck. Oh.
Dude, it feels I mean, like weird because we're playing after so many days.
We are overshooting corners.
Uh,
And this sun is also weird, dude. Shades.
yeah, graphics feel a bit off.
Oh man, I caught up and I didn't. Shit.
When is Black Friday, dude?
November
Last week.
Last weekend?
Last week, yeah. It was been November last week. Last Friday.
Oh my God, no, 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 no. Gone. All the lead is gone. I pushed too hard that corner.
Girish, do you have an iPad?
No.
Okay.
Why?
No, I was planning to buy one. Like, if you have one.
Why? Like,
I mean,
I mean, what is the purpose?
like for studying, with Zoom meetings, when you want to study with someone, right? It's difficult to write, so it would be good to have an iPad.
You are so far ahead, dude.
Oh shit, man.
So Giri did a pit stop.
I did a pit stop. I crashed.
They fucking corners, dude. The last two corners I always suffer.
Exit.
Did
Exit
you
now.
overtake him, Leotar?
I think I'll do now.
You got
Yeah, I
that
did.
second now.
Second, how is it?
I had to pit. I lost control. In
Yeah,
that
third,
one.
right?
Now I'm third.
He'll come and... Where are you, dude, Giri?
He would be somewhere in the final part of the lap, I guess.
I'll set
Race
up at the
officials have
final.
enabled DRS. DRS is now available.
Four turns,
I need to
five
get
turns.
these DRS.
DRS only you can activate if you're right behind me.
Yeah, I need to get in.
Within 1 second.
Get few plays, but
There's one who does the technical videos, right? Bharat?
What?
Who does the technical video thing in the F1 channel on YouTube?
Who does F1 technical? I didn't get you.
In the official F1 YouTube channel, right?
Hmm?
There's one section.
Technical analysis.
Yeah,
Lawrence worried. Lawrence, someone.
yeah. I like his analysis.
Yeah, he's good. Like he has like proper brain for
okay.
game.
And we never think of all those. I mean,
Yeah. Even that one more guy is there, dude. Oh, dude. I go to Q, bro.
Great good work. Great pass.
I don't know, I think it was my mistake.
Yeah.
I always watch these videos like before
Green
the
flag.
video, right? After the race video.
yeah.
It's very crazy the way.
Actually, they cut out many.
Where would I, Girish? Which lap I
Like
got?
during the race, you can't hear the radio, right? Can you? Like if
When
you
you
watch
crash,
the,
Bharat,
What?
you crash, right? I'm right there now.
Oh my god, so far ahead. During the race, they will only play once in a while. I mean, like, if you have, like, subscription, you can tune into any player anyway. But if you watch on normal TV, you see whatever they show you. People actually, like, hardcore fans, they follow a POV of one person and they watch it whole day like that. Like how you're playing, it will be like that for them.
subscription is 20 euros per month.
So not worth it.
Yeah. But dude, here like everything is so expensive with all the subscriptions. Netflix is also some 20 euros. Spotify is I guess 10 euros.
Dude, the shade is annoying. Dude.
Yeah, sunrise.
Sunrise also, the shade is covering the track.
So now I started my last lap too.
This is your final lap. Final lap of the race.
I like that.
I was trying to find limits.
Very humble dude. I guess that is the only thing.
He's almost more than I don't. I feel he's always politically correct too. He tries to be
I've
politically
never
correct.
seen him abuse. Like I've never seen him abuse. At least I've never heard him abuse in team radios or anything.
Verstappen is like some kid, dude.
Verstappen, the Kimi Raikkonen,
Good.
always.
I mean, like he never had to abuse actually. That's also one more thing, right? He was never put in a position to abuse.
Like
Let's see that beats the fastest lap.
I can't get fastest lap. I'm pushing too much in here.
Girish, which one is your McLaren?
Red Bull. Oh, you mean favorite team or?
No, yeah.
Which is your favorite team though?
I mean, from long before I used to follow Hamilton, but now I mean, he's done almost. So my next driver is Ricardo. So wherever Ricardo goes, I follow happy. Ricardo. Dude, he's the best dude for me.
I mean, I think he exited Red Bull properly, dude. He shouldn't have stayed. If he had stayed, that's career ending for him, I guess. Good he exited Red Bull and came to Renault.
But he's changing too many teams, dude. Six in one team and yeah.
And who knows, dude?
He's
Like,
dude. I think on a Red Bull,
see, Mercedes like had this crazy domination because of this hybrid engine, right? After 2021, it's changing again. Who knows which team comes up first?
Alpha Tauri. No. Racing Point is better.
Racing.
Papa do it.
they literally copied and still they're losing now this year. I mean, not very badly, but today they didn't perform, no? It's very
But
tight.
it's late.
I think McLaren will get the third spot. The constructors.
I mean, Vettel recently gave some statement saying
The car
his car is not good compared to. But this guy also said no.
I
But
saw. Yeah. He's like, there has to be something. Like, dude, how?
Yeah.
Dude, again, he finished 14, dude. How?
Like he's not a bad driver, so it has to be bad car.
I mean, and they won't give a bad car as such because they have to get points, no? The team also.
Yeah. Hmm.
So I don't know, like, what's the truth?
Dude, they tune car to their first driver, dude. That's what happened in Red Bull as well, right?
They tune their car to the
Yeah, because like everyone has a different driving style. Like what? How do you say? Like here, say like even here, if you are like braking early to get proper exit, or braking late to get more speed. If you're braking late, you need more what down force. If you're braking early, you don't need. You need more top speed.
But my question is, they can do
He
the
should
other
be adjusted to anything. That's what I mean. That's their job, but he's not able to.
No, I mean, like they have a separate engineering team, right, for both of them. No.
No, engineering team is same. Only mechanics are different.
No, I'm saying then they can tune the car for whatever Vettel wants, right? His car only.
I mean that's not. I mean they want to develop in one phase, right? It's like their future is in Leclerc. Like they want to data, right? They want data from the car how it's performing in these conditions here and there. Like that's why they try like same car though they try different tires on that and this and see how car performs. That's always the case, dude. Like every team is like that almost.
But Red Bull, it's like very clear, dude.
Yeah, Red Bull is very clear. Like whatever Max wants, it will be there. Lol.
Shit, I was about to start, dude. Idiot. Dude,
No,
what the hell?
dude. Dude, that.
Dude, Bharat,
Dude, did I hit you?
very badly.
Fuck. Dude, I had a proper line. I
Come on,
didn't
dude.
think I didn't.
Space there.
I didn't know I touched you. I mean, like I had proper inside track. I mean, like your front of car hit my back of the car, right? Not like my front of the car hit your back.
I was going straight and you cut across.
I particularly like this Tuscan Grand Prix radio, dude. Crazy.
Okay, that's a good start. Keep it up.
Did this guy get the tattoo finally?
Apparently he's getting.
What tattoo?
I mean, so Renault team engineer and Ricardo had a bet. If Ricardo wins, Renault team engineer will get a tattoo.
Oh.
Because like
Tempting, dude. Divakar, they haven't won a podium since 2013?
14, I guess.
Oh, Renault.
Yeah.
Okay. So?
So
even
he
if you-
bet with driver like if
Why you
I
don't win?
Because I have to serve the penalty.
I got a penalty.
You've
Right.
been awarded a time penalty for that last incident.
What penalty you got?
Drive through.
No, Diva Bharat.
I have 2 second penalty. I cut the corner somewhere.
Dude, you get penalty for hitting me, dude. What the heck? You didn't put damage.
Reduce damage.
I'm surprised nothing happened to my car.
Yeah, then just a nudge. No, you didn't get damage. Got
I
nudge.
mean, thanks to the gravel, I didn't hit the wall. So.
Oh my god, I was watching something else.
This British track is so small, dude.
But it's nice, dude. The track is super nice.
After playing Australian, it was a bit confusing for me.
There's so much space also to do this track. Silverstone, no?
Yesterday I made some expo of
Nice.
But I hate this sun, dude. I'll remove it. I'll put it to midday by default.
I have one chicken fry recipe I'll send you. Damn good.
Okay, entering lap 3 now. DRS has been enabled.
Overshot. Bharat, are you close?
Dude, I have penalty today anyway.
Be the man.
Really, how will the qualification stabilize, huh?
No, it's increasing in a few states again.
But there are no restrictions, right?
Not yet. I mean, the few states are still closed. But San Diego is fine, dude. It's improving now. Like, very stupid. Maybe 3 M.
I kind of feel this is also like Liverpool. Like they can't control like it. It doesn't seem
Dude,
like
I think it would have been controllable if the quarantine is good. I mean, the rules or something they should have found out, right? Let's say the virus actually goes away in 14 days and they trace it, right? Only these people have it, then can be mitigated, I feel.
But I think the problem is even, yeah, I mean, I've read that if you're not symptomatic, the chances of spreading are very less. I don't know how come it is spreading still. Like, are people being reckless that they're not quarantining even though?
No, I'm saying, let's say you have an ideal quarantine of 14 days, right? Ideal means ideal. Does it mean it will never spread again? Like, they're not clear about that.
Yeah, from you, I don't think it's spread if you have an ideal quarantine of 14 days. From you, like, you do a quarantine, you had a positive.
Like, let's say everybody does, right?
Oh, yes.
Let everybody buy food, whatever, stay at home for 14 days, like strict quarantine. Nobody.
Like that. But it's impossible, right? Why would people stay at home for 14 days? Like, no one will do it.
Idealized.
So, like, ideally, maybe, I guess. Like, there's no contact with someone else, so I guess it will.
Okay, wait, one sec. This Bharat is coming. I'm talking and this is a.
No, ran too far. I had 2 second penalty on top of.
Still, you caught up more than 50 seconds.
Oh no no no!
Okay.
Like, if I didn't have the drive to penalty, I think it would have been close.
This is your final lap. Final lap of the race.
This one is actually good dude, compared to Australia. Australia, like last two corners, I always miss it.
These are like proper corners and you can do it clean.
Yeah, that's right.
Why are all the races being with the sun from here?
I think it's the setting, the default setting. Dude. Maybe I kept it that way. Like,
We've been awarded a time penalty. We'll go against our finishing time at the end of the race.
Right.
The last sector, dude, I did some crazy. I got purple.
What is purple exactly?
I have 4-second penalty. 4 or 6.
So purple means, so you will get one red on the top right of the screen. Sometimes we get red.
Yeah.
Red, green, and
So red means you're less than your personal best. Green means you beat your personal best by that much. Purple means you obviously beat your personal best and you beat everybody's personal best.
Oh.
And it can be yours also. So it can be
Yeah. It's for each sector, right? It's for
Yeah.
each sector.
So sometimes you can just track that and say if you're actually doing well on the lap or not. If it's all red, then you're losing time.
So like in the team radio, I heard purple.
dude, this Girish won both, dude. What the hell?
You made mistakes in both. You are only leading.
Doesn't matter.
I'll send this video after the game. How do we came and crash?
Oh my god, so fast.
Come on, you're right behind me.
Dude, like, look at the fastest lap.
Where is it? 34. 200ths of a second. 250, 300 actually.
What is well played from street circuit?
Diwakar runs like it.
Okay.
Azerbaijan or
Like, extreme or Monaco or Azerbaijan?
Only two. Dubai also.
Singapore. Dubai is not so street circuit.
Singapore?
Germany also has a street circuit. No, during the-
But I prefer Monaco or Azerbaijan. Dude. One of these two.
Okay. Yeah. Monaco. Let's play Monaco.
Bharat loves this stuff.
Where is this? I'm trying to change weather to.
Monaco is whose home? It's France, right? Renault.
I don't know.
I'm not sure.
Monaco is in France, right? Or somewhere else?
Monaco is a
It's country itself.
Oh.
But it's in Europe.
You wanted to put Monaco, like, none of us can do it, dude, for sure. It's
Let's do
hard.
other. Then it's good, dude. Or let's do Azerbaijan. I think.
Let's try Monaco. I mean, Azerbaijan we played, right? That's why I wanted to play.
I mean, like, we haven't played for so many days, right? Like, we're definitely going to crash. I kept
Okay,
Monaco,
dude.
we'll try. Ready.
Diwakar hasn't played. Man. I think it's a good circuit for Diwakar. He might actually win.
He
Like how
made
Karthik.
it happen.
Girish, ready up. I think like we
Smoke or
should put
Chetan,
full car setup, dude. Then everyone can adjust to their own needs. Like I think like next time we play with Chetan, we'll put car setup.
Dude, we need Aman
He
and Karthik.
can't make corners, so he can put full downforce.
But I'm
Yeah,
saying
Aman
Karthik
and Karthik. Yeah, like if all of us, like 5, 6 of us will play, it will be crazy.
16 laps, 15 laps.
Hmm.
Then we can have
But this
25% extra 5 laps. It'll be crazy.
We can,
time zones are like annoying.
we can play 3 teams like construct.
Yeah, like we did first time, right? 2 teams. Yeah.
That time I and Aman had full coordination. Like you overtake him.
Thank God I came first. I'm gonna get crashed for sure. Girish in safe position, kind of.
How do you know I'm third?
I can see, right? On track. Wait.
Hey, no.
Yeah, this is one scary dude. How is he driving? Shit, dude. It's crazy. Amazing track, right?
Yeah, dude, you can't overtake.
You can take. I mean, you can.
Like it's too
Yeah, it's hard to overtake. Yeah.
All right, well done off the line. We're in a good position.
What the hell? I made a mistake.
Oh shit, sorry. I accidentally took all the second option.
And straight down for there.
Yeah.
Check your MFD for a new strategy option.
Better not be doing it.
Yeah, like it's hard, dude. This track.
Dude, even my wing is gone.
If you're trying to push, if you play safe, it's fine. I guess.
Shit, my wing is gone again. I'll come next lap. Shit, I should have gone this lap only, I guess. The other three make up for me.
Oh,
I pitted.
Go now.
Even if you have a bit of wing damage, it has a match.
On
Yeah,
this track.
it has a crazy effect the way you take turns because you need a lot of downforce.
my.
We'll go next lap. Dude,
My graphics kind of I have to adjust my graphics too. Like it feels kind of laggy.
Dude, if left wing is gone, which side is it hard to turn?
Left.
Shit. Time penalty.
Hey, again. Fuck. Dude, this corner every time I miss it, dude.
You have to brake properly and so early.
Yeah. Like I got a 3-second time penalty again. I guess if I do it again, they might disqualify me.
Yeah, 3 times you disqualified me, 3 or 4 times.
Where are you, Bharat?
Oh my god, I have no wing again.
I'm in the pit.
Oh my god, I don't have wing again.
Dude, Diwakar is leading. Bharat and I will clash most likely.
I don't have left wing. I completely don't have left wing.
Where the hell will you even use DRS in this competition?
Straight.
He's on straight right. Starting.
Ah, again I.
Oh my god, I think. Gone. This race is gone. I can't turn for shit. No wing.
Dude, Divakar, dude, is coasting.
Hey, fuck! You jinxed it,
Dude, Divakar, what the hell, dude?
Caution, caution.
What, you also retired or what?
Dude, what are you doing there?
Dude, there's a tire on the road.
Dude, Bharat, imagine I'm coming full fast in the tunnel, right?
Oh yeah, you can't see. It's uphill. You can't see
This
what.
guy turned ulta and he's in the racing line.
I'm also
Are you
gone.
alright?
Me too, right?
Engine off.
I'm
Engine
also
off.
gone.
Even
I'm
I
also
was
gone.
going like full fast. I just hit it.
Even I retired.
Shit, dude.
You should move to the side at least, no?
How would I hit the curving. I hit the curve, that's all.
I thought
After-
they'll ghost it, da, Bharat. They didn't ghost also. Anyway.
I mean, it'll ghost only if he's driving in reverse. You want to do once more, Monaco?
Yeah, or we can try the
Yeah,
other
yeah.
street also, no? Divakar, do you want to do Monaco again?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's do.
Should I check? Yeah, have this.
Well, Madhura didn't join.
Yeah, she said she'll join and then like maybe she didn't join because now there's no. Yeah.
But seriously, dude, the Sahana randomly should go totally dark one time and then she'll come back again.
Yeah, dude, very.
Who?
She won't reply also, dude. That's the worst part.
Who?
Pranav.
JDM. Sorry.
Nihi got married or she's getting married?
I think she got married too.
Okay.
I think next 2 years everyone will get married, right?
I was in
Half of
studying.
you won't. Half of you can't even come to marriage. I guess.
2 years, Divakar. You'll still studying your house.
Oh, I'm last.
Guys, please calm down behind me. This is the braking zone, so
So I broke properly. I was behind you. You go properly now.
dude, I hit the wall, dude. I can't.
Because
make
of
it.
you, I hit the wall too.
I'll come.
Damage to your wing. Damage to your wing. Suggest we box to change it.
My wing also is gone. Shit.
My wing is gone.
A new strategy is
Hey.
available on the MFD.
They're both going to fuck up.
Dude, my wing is gone, man. Dude, in this tunnel is ulta, dude.
Dude, I hit the curve, dude. That's all. I really didn't know. Like after that, it was beyond my control.
That's taking that song.
Huh?
Hey, no. Okay.
The corner of the tunnel, right? You need perfect braking.
Okay, back to
Yeah,
the pits. You
it's
need a new front wing. Box now.
I was about to miss it again.
I was able to manage.
Did you pit, Girish?
Hmm?
Did you pit?
No, no.
I'll do a pick later.
It's orange, so I'll wait. If it's red, I'll go.
Go, go, go.
have graphics issues. You have to test it.
No, I think I could have asked Varsha to join if we had started. I think,
What F1 now?
no, not F1. Like, what was the other game we were playing? Katan.
We need teams then.
Yeah. I think Varsha, first time, right? So one of us could have.
And now it's too late. Maybe like 3 o'clock something for her.
And now it's late for her. No, I was saying, like, if we had started early.
Oh my god. You don't have much time to say no. Oh my god, I lost my back of my car hit that rail.
Be careful with the front wing. You've taken some minor damage.
Where are you now exactly?
Okay, entering lap 3 now. DRS
Starting
has
of
been
the lap.
enabled.
Of you, I don't know this time. I don't see you.
The hell, I mean, starting of the lap, I crossed it, so you are in front of me.
Oh, but I'm play 2 position. Oh, Viper is first. I thought you were first.
Corner cutting penalty.
Okay,
Where-
take it
Oh,
easy
how
on the
do
car.
I
We
go
can't
here,
sustain
dude?
this level of
Behind
damage.
you here.
Hey, fuck you, dude.
My wing is gone. You broke so early, dude, because you're scared of the corner. You broke so early.
Why did you hit him, dude? Poor guy.
No, he broke so early, dude.
Why did
I don't have wing again. Again, dude.
Dude, why are
I can't drive behind you, dude.
You have a lot of wing damage.
Dude,
Box
he's
for a
hitting
new
me
one.
continuously, dude.
He's stopping, dude. Every time he's stopping in front of me.
you wait for the opportunity and overtake?
I'm not overtaking, dude. I'm trying to go behind him. I can't even follow him.
Oh shit, I spun.
Unknownly, no.
Complete, go now.
Okay.
I'm pitted again.
Okay.
Dude, these tires are going.
Oh my, how many
I have
times?
packet loss. Frame rate is super bad.
Display problem, right?
This pit stop is very funny, dude. Somewhere randomly.
Dude, this corners, I literally stopped the car, dude.
I'm pitting.
I pitted twice so far.
Oh!
Gone. Dude, my wing is
Okay, you have some front wing
Imagine
damage,
driving
but not
the
enough
track
to justify a
real
stop in
yeah,
the
in
remaining
real
laps.
life. Impossible, dude. How do they even overtake here?
You need to slow down before hitting the corners. We don't want to get a penalty.
You braking, dude. What if one fellow brakes early? They have to like be very vigilant.
I'm pitting third time again. Every lap I pitted, dude.
Last lap, dude. Why pitting?
Yeah, exactly.
It's not last lap. For me, it's still 4. I pitted thrice.
Divakar, for you, which lap?
Release, release.
easy.
Are you in second or third place?
Can just I should not get disqualified. Fuck. I mean, retired by hitting something.
This is your final lap of the race.
Thank God I just made it in time. Else I can't go for this lap.
No, easy.
Nice. You took the corner.
Crazy. Huh?
You took the corner properly now.
Yeah.
My rear is too big, dude. Hitting it.
Easy boy, easy boy.
Why are you hitting the ball now?
My rear, like I don't know where my rear hit.
What it doing?
Dude, again my rear. That's what, dude. Rear of my car is hitting that corner, dude, and then my car is hitting.
Wait, you'll get +1 lap in your
I
time
don't.
sheet.
No, you didn't lap me, right?
Oh.
Verstappen.
I pitted thrice, bro. Fuck, dude, I'm not Monaco,
Aston
dude.
Martin is the engine provider for Red Bull or Honda.
Aston Martin doesn't make engines. Even for their car, they don't make engines.
Dude, they're just coming according to me for brand name, dude.
Yeah, James Bond time.
119. No, fastest lap.
Who makes engines for Red Bull?
Honda.
Honda, right?
And they're leaving.
Oh,
Or they
so
actually
who-
They don't think
who
this
will
is
do next?
profitable.
So that is what they're looking for. Renault should give, actually, according to the rules. They won't give no Bharat, I think.
I mean, they have to give. They can't say no. That's the issue.
Yeah.
Renault
but
can't say
they
no,
have to
but
give
Red Bull doesn't want to go back to Renault because Renault will charge. Like they broke up like on
Dude, last
very
season,
bad
Divakar, Red Bull was on Renault. Like they
Okay.
had Honda. And they had a fight because both of them were competing for the third spot. I mean, Renault, technically. But they had a fight, so they didn't trust them, basically.
and they bought. I mean, like they bought their driver also. So they didn't have engine. They didn't have driver. He was making some comment on that. I mean, that drama is like crazy, dude. It's really fun to watch.
Red Bull.
Yeah, the drama between Red Bull and Renault. I mean, like you will get it in.
I mean, they still keep fighting.
Yeah, like you heard. I mean, like you watched that race, right? This
Yeah, still.
Ricardo got third. What Horner said to Max. That was so salty, dude.
What did they say?
Get a
Like
Red
he
Bull
look,
tattoo.
yeah, like he should get a like a big ass Red Bull tattoo on his face.
So they were thinking, Red Bull was thinking, these people are purposely giving them bad engines
Bad
so that
engine.
they lose.
Who is first? Walker.
No, I think.
Hard to follow. Somehow avoided Girish. Girish is
I'm early
glitching.
breaker, dude. You be careful.
Yeah, I see that. I see that.
Shit.
Easy, easy. Tell you.
Well done, mate. Nice start.
Try to overtake you. Which is not possible. Oh, sorry. Go. Go. Devaka, careful here.
Divakar, be very careful.
Yeah.
Dude, I have crazy FPS loss, dude. Every time I start this game for first time, I face this issue.
Dude, even for me it happens that settings will go off to some
Yeah,
default.
yeah, I have to go back and change settings. Like it's like impossible to drive. Like it looks very glitchy.
Dude, why are you playing a River Fan also?
Like track is not stable. Like the graphics
I know
look.
it happens to me also. Play after sometimes. And sometimes for me it depends on the charger also.
No, I have. I mean, like it's plugged in.
Not plugged in, it goes off to some random stuff.
Like these shadows look very glitchy. Like whenever I'm going next to these buildings, look bad.
Okay.
How did you want to overtake in this corner, dude?
I did. I'm like we had a two-car like with there. So I
You could
tried.
have just waited for the straight.
Yeah, I should have waited.
You guys are not making any mistakes.
Dude, scary dude, this track. But I think
Just a bit wider than Monaco. Just a bit wider. Monaco is like you have no space.
No narrow actually.
Monaco, the thing is, I feel it's about the surrounding also. Like the buildings are tall, you feel like you're sweet.
Yeah, cramped. Yeah, gone. My lane is gone.
We're seeing major wing damage. Box.
Yeah, you guys keep playing.
Hello.
I'll just quit and restart, dude. I'll change my video settings.
Okay. I think if you quit, we'll lose the game because
No, it'll just change host.
request the host. Okay.
Yeah.
Edge case.
Ah no. Okay, nothing happened.
Oh, even Divakar died. Like Among Us.